Let's get started. 1. Tesla Model Y and Model 3. Tesla makes great EVs, but they are the worst cars to buy in 2025, and here's why: Tesla reduces prices every few months. Sounds good, until you realize. If you bought one yesterday for $52,000 and Tesla cuts the price to $45,000 tomorrow, your car just lost $7,000 of value overnight. 2025 models have faster charging, better batteries, better motors, updated hardware, new interiors. Meanwhile, last year's model? Instantly old. Depreciation is brutal. Most EVs lose 40 to 50% of their value in the first 3 years. This is why leasing is a cheat code. Tesla takes the depreciation hit, not you. Enjoy the tech. Return it. Get the latest one. Repeat. If there is one car you should never buy outright. Point 2. Jeep Grand Cherokee. The Grand Cherokee looks like a premium SUV, but it depreciates like crazy. Oversupply. Jeep produced too many. Too many cars equals low resale value, expensive repairs, electrical issues, suspension problems, transmission complaints, and all of them cost a lot. People dump these cars as soon as warranty ends, which hurts used prices even more. Gas guzzler. In 2025, buyers want efficient SUVs. The Cherokee's miles per gallon? Not impressive. So unless you're leasing it, you're basically buying a luxury headache. Point 3. BMW 7 Series 3. BMW 7 Series. The BMW 7 Series is an engineering masterpiece. But after the warranty expires, it becomes an engineering money pit to ultra-complex technology. Massaging seats, air suspension, laser headlights, 48-volt hybrid systems, dozens of sensors. When one thing goes wrong, everything goes wrong. A basic repair like air suspension $4,000, transmission $7,000, headlights $2,500 each. And yes, each depreciation monster. Luxury sedans drop value the fastest. In 3 years, a $120,000 7 Series can become a $55,000 used car. That's basically a $65,000 donation. So lease it, enjoy it, return it. Leave the long-term headaches for someone else. Ford Explorer Hybrid. Hybrids are great, until they break. Hybrids combine a gas engine and an electrical system. Meaning, double the parts, double the failure points. Very high long-term maintenance costs. Battery replacement. Electric motor problems. Cooling systems. Inverter issues. All extremely expensive. When something fails, most dealerships struggle to diagnose it. Meaning, more time, more labor. 5. Mercedes-Benz GLE. The GLE is beautiful, powerful, and luxurious. But it's also one of the riskiest luxury SUVs to own long-term. Here's why: air suspension failure. The air suspension looks cool, until one side sags like a flat tire. Cost? $1,500 to $2,000 per corner. Electronics everywhere. Massive infotainment screen. Dozens of modules. Mach-E AI system. These systems are expensive to repair outside warranty. Rapid depreciation. Mercedes luxury SUVs lose around 50% of their value after 4 years. So what's the smart move? Lease. 6. Nissan Ariya. A great EV stuck in a terrible resale market. The Nissan Ariya drives well, looks modern, and has a comfortable interior. But the used EV market in 2025 is collapsing, especially for non-Tesla EVs. Why the Ariya is a lease-only car? EV depreciation is getting worse. New EVs have faster charging and longer ranges. Older models? Instantly outdated. Nissan's battery history isn't perfect. Leaf batteries degraded quickly. Buyers remember, competition is too strong. Hyundai, Tesla, BYD, Mercedes, all releasing better EVs every 6 to 12 months. So buying the Ariya is a gamble. Leasing is the only logical choice. 7. Jaguar F-Pace. Beautiful SUV, until something breaks. Jaguar builds stunning vehicles, but historically, reliability has been their weakness. Mechanical issues, engine problems, transmission faults, cooling system failures, electrical problems, infotainment glitches, sensor failures, random warning lights. Owners report issue after issue. Horrible resale value. Even with low mileage, used F-Pace values drop fast. This means buying one is financial suicide. Lease it for 3 years. Enjoy the design and the performance. Then hand it back. The EV that got outdated too fast. The Mach-E was exciting a few years ago, but 2025 EVs have leapfrogged it. Range is no longer competitive. New EVs offer 350 to 500 miles. Mach-E struggles to keep up. Charging speed isn't great. Other EVs charge much faster. People don't want slower charging EVs anymore. Resale value dropped hard. Used EV prices are crashing across the board, but Mach-E is hit harder because newer competitors offer better tech at similar prices. If you want a Mach-E, lease it. Never buy it. But before we end, there's something important you need to understand. The car market in 2025 is transforming faster than any time in history. This isn't just about which cars you should lease or buy. This is about how the entire industry is shifting beneath our feet. We're entering a world where technology ages cars faster than mileage ever did. Where a vehicle with 20,000 miles can feel older than a vehicle with 80,000, just because the tech is outdated. A world where EV batteries improve every year. Where hybrids gain new systems. And luxury brands drop new features that instantly make last year's models feel prehistoric. And here's the truth nobody tells you. The biggest financial risk in 2025 is not buying the wrong car. It's buying the right car at the wrong time. That's why leasing has become more than a strategy. It's a shield. A smart move. A way to enjoy innovation without being crushed by it. Think about it. When you lease, you're renting the best years of the car's life. The newest tech. The safest systems. The cleanest performance. The freshest design. You get all of the upside without carrying any of the downside. No worrying about future battery failures. No stressing about luxury repairs. No praying depreciation won't destroy your resale value. No guessing how fast next year's model will outperform yours. You simply enjoy the car. Hand back the keys and move on to the next evolution. And in this new automotive world, that flexibility is priceless. So before you choose your next vehicle, ask yourself, do I want to OWN this car? Or do I just want to experience it? Because most cars in 2025, especially the ones in this list, are meant to be experienced, not owned. The smart drivers know this. Mechanics know this. Financial advisors know this. And now, you know it too. If this video helped you avoid a bad purchase, or helped you understand the real truth behind modern car ownership, then you're already ahead of 95% of buyers in 2025. And if you want the next video, 8 cars you should always buy, not lease in 2025. Or 10 cars that will actually go up in value. Just tell me, and I'll make it. Thanks for watching. Stay smart, stay informed, and I'll see you in the next one.